This is our Expedition slide, 100% aluminum construction. It's got a 1,000-pound load capacity. Our full extension slide, it comes with the L-track welded to the top, and that gives you spots to tie stuff down, like with these ratchet straps with the rings tied onto the end. You can clip it on one side, hop to the other side of the truck, and you're not fighting a hook falling off. So those are really convenient. On this slide, we have a layer of rubber, and that can be used kind of like a mat. If it gets all dirty, you can just dump the dirt out, hose it out if you need to. Here we have one of our Expedition slides, our slide shelves, and it's secured with a thumb screw. It lifts off and it's captured within that bracket and some of that rail. This can be mounted on either side or both sides, depending on your load out. With the slide, you can kind of build that out to store water modules. You can put your ARB 63-quart fridge, usually works on these. And then around that fridge, we have a bolt-on shroud that'll bolt to that slide. And that has air louvers and vents to protect the ventilation from the cooler, just so it can vent and your gear doesn't block any vents. A lot of times it's just hard to reach into the bed of a truck, and that's the benefit to this, is that you can load it in this position and then just push it all up in the side of your bed. You're not crawling on tailgates, you're not crawling under covers or canopies, stuff like that. So it does really help you with camping, makes it easier on the back. So there's a lot of benefits to it, and all aluminum construction should last a lifetime. So we can do these slides for just about any pickup truck. If you have questions about if it's right for you, give us a call or look us up at nuthouseindustries.com.